I begin with a premise that many people below the age of say 25 or 30 would not have a very strong living recollection of the corruption of the Congress, and thence they may believe there's a Mohabbat ki dukan which Rahul Gandhi is running. But my point is tonight, and I shall elucidate it and I will prove it with facts, that this is a very corrupt party. I take you back, and a very corrupt family. First case, 1948 under Jawaharlal Nehru, V.K. Krishna Menon signs a deal for 200 substandard jeeps, rejected by the army but faces no accountability with unknown financial benefits. Corruption. In 1957 under Jawaharlal Nehru, LIC funds worth then 1.26 crores were misused to bail out Haridas Mundra's failing companies, leading to the finance minister's resignation. Corruption. In 1971 under Indira Gandhi, Sanjay Gandhi was granted a car manufacturing license with 300 acres of land allocated via pure 100% nepotism, evicting 15,000 farmers, yielding unknown financial benefits, and this party says it's pro-farmer. Corruption. 1986 under Rajiv Gandhi, 64 crores in kickbacks were paid to secure a 1,437 crore Bofors howitzer gun deal, rocking the government, pulling it down. Massive corruption. Then, 2005 under Manmohan Singh, with an effective prime ministership of Sonia Gandhi, a fraudulent S-band spectrum deal worth 578 crores between ISRO's Antrix and Devas was annulled after being exposed. Huge corruption. 2006 under Manmohan Singh, Sonia Gandhi's regime, illegal 3,500 crore FDI approvals in Aircel by Maxis involved politicians and business persons with trials ongoing. Huge corruption. 2007 with Sonia Gandhi as de facto Prime Minister, 305 crores of foreign investment approvals in INX Media involved alleged bribery and money laundering. Huge corruption. 2008, 122 telecom licenses sold at 2001 prices to ineligible firms, causing an alleged 1.76 lakh crore loss. It's called the 2G spectrum scam. 2008, please keep listening. See how corrupt this party is. Under Manmohan Singh, very ineffective, very corrupt. Bribes were allegedly paid in a 1,700 crore Embraer aircraft purchase deal for the Indian Air Force. Sonia Gandhi was, of course, the effective Prime Minister. Then now the case in point, 2008, Robert Vadra comes in with this weird company called Skylight Hospitality, buys land at extremely low prices and then sells them at a profit of 51 crores after getting the land use changed, political influence, nepotism and corruption. 2004 to 2009, and viewers, this goes out for all of you. Under Manmohan Singh, Sonia Gandhi's regime, land was traded as bribes for railway jobs during a former railway minister's tenure. 2010, Manmohan Singh, young Indian owned by the Gandhis, acquired AJL's 2,000 crore plus assets for 50 lakhs. That's the National Herald scam in which Rahul and Sonia could be arrested. 2010, 70,000 crores, which is something I exposed, was Commonwealth Games scam due to over-invoicing. 2003 to 2012, the bribes in an alleged 8,000 crore Rolls-Royce Hawk aircraft deal influenced Indian Air Force contracts. Then in 2012, the other scam, which I reported at that time as the Kargil for Profit scam, where flats meant for Kargil heroes were allotted to bureaucrats and politicians with unknown and huge financial benefits. And in 2012, under Manmohan Singh, the 3,600 crore Augusta Westland VVIP helicopter deal, bribes to officials, including at that point of time allegations about the then Air Force chief. What more examples do I need to give? Viewers, this video must go out. People must know. Youngsters must realize that behind this sheen of pseudo-secularism and Muslim vote bank politics is a very corrupt family and a very corrupt party. Have no doubt about it.